Dirang Valley. This name is shining today. Dirang is now been known for a famous hill station nearby Bomdila and Tawang. It is located in the western Kameng district of Arunachal Pradesh. Today's our topic is about Dirang's another magnificent achievement of having to develop geothermal energy source. Let's talk about this topic. Dirang is a place in Arunachal, as I said, located in West Kameng district of Arunachal. This place has shown one of the significant and remarkable use in economic sector of India. India has been planning to make its one kind of geothermal energy project in this place. This will be its only kind in entire Northeast. Alone, this project will be having the capacity to generate electricity around 10,500 megawatt, which means it can hold the entire requirement of around 1 million people in total, which is itself is a very magnificent and tremendous achievement. But still yet this project has to be completed. Now, since the introduction of this project is done, so let's understand the benefit of this geothermal energy. Geothermal energy in this particular sector is found in the lower Himalayan belts. As we know, Tawang Bomdila is the part of lesser and Purvanchal Shivalik Himalayas. Now, our Shivalik and Purvanchal and lesser Himalayan belts are greatly known for their geothermal activities. Why? Because this place is the known place for two tectonic plate margins, that is Indian plate and Eurasian plate. When Himalaya was born from Eocene epoch of Cenozoic era, the formation of Himalaya was in such a form that it formed over the fault of two tectonic plates. As a result, lot of lava has accumulated underground. Scientists have found so many of examples and evidences to prove these sections where igneous rocks and landform, intrusive landforms were found. Now, according to these researches and hot spring valleys found in these places has confirmed that this place as really is an active zone of lava concentration. As a result, this particular place is able to generate 115 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient to create this kind of energy source. Now, let's try to understand what are the locations and its significance. Its locational significance is that it will be nearby or at least a very close regions of China and Arunachal border, which again will boost the local economy, including the overall state and northeastern economy. It can have the huge potential of generating employment for the local peoples, including the neighborhood state peoples. Now, apart from its locational benefit, this is a perfect overview of the project. Now, geothermal energy is a very good example of renewable source of energy. Yes, according to the entire world's, entire world's uses and conferences on climate change control, here Arunachal will play a very important role in India's renewable energy resources. Although it will come up with some certain kind of challenges and issues, but if the project is complete, then it will be 100% be able to generate renewable source, which means no emission, no environmental losses. That is why this project has a very important overview and motive in terms of northeastern economic growth and energy sustainable development. When we talk about the capacity, as I mentioned, this can be able to generate 10,500 megawatt in very easy way. Apart from it, the benefits is it is a renewable resource. It will be reducing the emission overall, including we will be having proper energy security. Any person who lives in Northeast Seven Sister area, they know about the energy crisis that Seven Sisters are facing. Even though in this modern world in 2025, when central government has planned lot of schemes to introduce to provide 100% electricity guarantee, still there are so many remote regions who do not see 24 hours continuous supply of electricity. This particular project will be able to generate such kind of electricity demand and security on for the people. Apart from it, apart from the sustainable development of energy, including the conservation of environment, less emission, there are so many benefits that this project has, because the electricity will directly come from the heat converting into the gas, water vapor, and those water vapor particles will rotate the turbine and generate the electricity. Now, when we talk about the challenges and opportunities, so definitely every good work takes time and always face through the challenges. The main basic challenge that project can face is the basic, that is technical challenges. Technical challenges or technical expertise is very much required in labor, and skilled labor requirement is very high in this particular project, including there are some drilling and exploration challenges for the company like ONGC. We have seen some companies like PSU sector companies like ONGC, Maharatna company, who've been doing onto this sector since decades. They are the one kind of company who has found lot of oil and gas reserves across the India and apart from India in abroad stations. Apart from it, environmental concerns. As I said, once the project is done, the energy which will produce from this project will be 100% green. But what is the cost of making this project? The cost of making this project is the environmental cost, meaning you have to cut a lot of forest, including the trees, including the biodiversity loss, which itself will cause environmental damage in local areas, especially when we think about Dirang place, which is a very known, significantly known for its scenic and very attractive sites of mountains that will be compromised in terms of tourism during that point of time. Apart from it, opportunities distribution would be a kind of challenge for the government, including the company. So apart from it, these are the basic challenges. But one more challenge that I would like to act in this as per the civil service point of view, that is local resistance. We human beings generally are reluctant to sudden changes or any sudden occupation. So as a result, sometimes this kind of project we face lot of local resistance challenges. Plus another challenge which comes out in those kind of project is land acquisition. If land acquisition conditions are not going well, then it really generates a big challenge in front of the project and the government. Arunachal already had a history of local resistance, very massive local resistance in terms of hydropower operations. When NHPC, which is also a PSU sector company, works on hydroelectric power corporation or making dams. When NHPC went there in 1999, in 2000, everything was done, survey was done, soil was done, rock test was done. Almost the company was ready to make the dams, but the severe local resistance has blocked the development of that project and hold it for at least till 2019. So almost it was 20 years of local resistance. Then now on Subansiri River, that 2000 megawatt project is on the process of construction. So this kind of level of local resistance can be faced in terms of the growth of project, right? So these were the basic challenges and these were the basic information about geothermal energy and project which is going to held in Arunachal Pradesh. This is one kind of great news for India, including our whole country, including the northeastern states, and very much important topic for all kind of civil service aspirants, including state and UPSC. Now, according to this, I stop this video here, and we will come up with more interesting this type of topics to you guys. Thank you so much.